The following contest is a tag team championship first round match on the way to the ring at a combined weight of 370 pounds. Finn Balor and Jordan Devlin.
A big-time tag team match with major stakes on hand will have major ramifications on the tag division.
Oh yeah, I am pumped for this guy.
And their opponents first, from Montreal, Quebec, Canada, weighing in at 332 pounds, Dino Bravo!
Look, others may not like it, but this competitor is one of the most honest people in the business today.
Others don't like it because, honestly, every word is just mean. I was honestly told I was a smelly idiot earlier today.
Truth hurts, Saxton.
He calls himself the standard bearer of this division and plans on proving it in a matter of moments. Here he comes.
And from Vancouver, British Columbia, weighing in at 390 pounds, the Disaster.
Matches like these, with talent of this caliber, this is why sports entertainment is an art form. Always walking around with a chip on his shoulder. He's going to use that anger against his opposition.
And here we go in this tournament matchup. Who will move forward? Who will be erased off the bracket?
Tournaments have a tendency of surprise results, so we'll see if this match continues that pattern. Kick to the gut. Oh, brutal forearm.
Gets tagged in. Tough position to be caught in here. Straight impact on the throat. Stomping down.
Oh, what a kick. You like that? Yep.
Balor retaliates. No, that'll break his arm. Vicious.
Pulls the ripcord.
Knee stroke to the face.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Finn Balor tags in.
Lariat.
Good Lord.
That was nasty.
And he goes for the pin. And he gets his shoulder up before the count.
These men knew this match was going to be hard fought.
He turns it around.
What a headbutt.
Vicious. Tag made. Fresh man in.
Oh, man, watch this. Freakish power.
And here's a cover.
1, 2.
And they kick out at 2.
He really thought that was it. Uh-oh, this is not going to end well.
Powerbomb. Tagged in. The foot press.
What good is being in control if you can't enjoy it?
And Finn was ready for that.
Take a good look at a real-life Titan, folks.
Got the tag. Got the tag.
Oh, look at his aggression in the corner.
Yeah, boot right in the jaw. Turns that back on Devlin.
Gutbuster.
Here he comes off the tag.
This crowd is truly unworthy of his incredible magnificence.
He made the tag.
Cooking with gas now. Hooked up.
Oh, look at the power. Side slam. Setting him up for something here.
And whatever it is,
And here we go now. Top rope. Does he get him here? 1, 2. Got it. No, just a 2.
getting that shoulder up now is huge.
Oh, shot to the side of the face.
He's done. Finn able to get out of the way.
Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want.
Can't prepare your face for that.
The body is starting to fail at this point.
At this point, it might be too much for him to recover from, Cole.
And the cover! 1, 2. Oh, kick out.
Both competitors digging into wells that didn't even know existed.
Unpacks a well-placed punch.
He's a projectile now. STO! What grace! Float over the DDT! And he was able to turn that around on Balor.
Hooked up.
Now look at the power side slam. Oh, God, that hurt.
Finn's at risk now. At risk of losing here.
He's got him here. He's got him.
Oh! Balor's in deep peril here.
Oh, man, by the hair. 2, 3. He put him away. He picks up the win.
Here are your winners.
Two great superstars that go great together, and that win is proof.
This right pairing can certainly do wonders, and make no mistake, this was a wonderful performance tonight.